There you have it. A big mess. We gotta see what's in that bag over there too. Check that out. A stack of lithium-ion Nissan Leaf batteries. Oh yeah. Yeah, the yellow top Optimas, they just don't cut the mustard, sorry. So I think I'm probably going to order another stack. Anyway, I want to run my air conditioner, man. The yellow tops are running it for, 2 or 3 hours. I want to run that baby all day long. Into the night, till 12 o'clock or so. All night would be good. Maybe I could get 3 stacks of these. Well, there you have it. I'll post back later after I start putting it together. Alright, thank you for watching.